If you're experiencing a problem reaching Roblox servers, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. Firstly, consider switching to a different device to test if the internet connection is working properly. Advanced fixes include flushing your DNS to clear out any outdated cache entries that might be causing connection issues. You can look up instructions on how to flush DNS for your specific operating system. Secondly, check your firewall settings, as sometimes firewalls can block Roblox from connecting. Ensure that Roblox is allowed through your firewall. Thirdly, if you're using Wi-Fi, try connecting directly to your router with an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Fourthly, temporarily disable antivirus and VPN software, as they can sometimes interfere with Roblox. Remember to re-enable them afterwards for security. Fifthly, you can try changing DNS servers to see if that resolves the issue. You can use different DNS servers like Google Public DNS or OpenDNS. There are guides online on how to change DNS server settings. For Roblox-specific fixes, firstly, check the Roblox status page to see if there are any known server outages. Roblox occasionally experiences server issues, so it's worth checking their status page linked to status.roblox.com. Finally, if none of the above solutions work, you can try reinstalling Roblox completely. This will ensure you have the latest version and no corrupted files.